Come along and join me as we discover the beauty of nature in Ukhrul.
Welcome to Ukhrul, a breathtaking hill station in the heart of Manipur, where nature's tranquility and the fresh morning air comes together to offer the perfect setting for a nature walk and some light exercise. As the first rays of the morning sun kiss the hills and the trees, we begin our walk, feeling the cold breeze that sweeps through the trees. The air is crisp, and the aroma of the trees and the flowers fills the air. Every breath you take here is like a burst of pure energy. Here in Ukhrul, nature surprises you at every turn. Look at this beautiful daisy. Their petals, painted in shades of yellow, they add a splash of color to the place, making each step feels like a step through a living painting. As we continue, we arrive at a breathtaking viewpoint where the clouds gently settle into the valley below. It's a surreal scene, mists rising from the cool, crystal clear water, blending seamlessly with the sky above. The landscape of Ukhrul in the morning light feels like a dream, with nature's beauty unfolding in every direction. It is a magical moment that captures the heart and the soul of this serene place. This walk isn't just about the sight, it is also about connecting with your body. Let's get moving with a light jog to energize ourselves. The peaceful surroundings of Ukhrul make it the perfect place to clear your mind and stretch your limits. Feel the cool breeze on your skin as you jog, inhaling deeply and exhaling with each stride. Feel the stretch on your muscles as you reach for the sky. Stretching here amidst the beautiful hills of Ukhrul helps you feel grounded, refreshed, and ready to take on the day.
Hi, hello, good morning, guys. Welcome from Ukhrul. The air here feels so fresh, so light. It's so light to breathe in. It's true that nature is God's own handwriting. So when you see nature, you see God.
Being here in Ukhrul, surrounded by such natural beauty, is not just a visual experience. It is about feeling at peace with nature. It is about finding balance both in your body and in your mind. As we make our way back through the village, you can see how life here is deeply connected with nature.
Dewdrops dance on leaves so green, golden hues touch every scene. Mountains wear a crown of light, nature wakes with pure delight. Ukhrul's beauty stirs the heart, mornings here are works of art.
My two companions who has been accompanying me, showing me around the beautiful places in Ukhrul. Hi, hello, Jamri.
Hi.
Hi now. Yes, I know.
Hi.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, dearest viewers, for joining me on this peaceful morning walk through Ukhrul. I hope this journey has brought a sense of calm and joy to your day. Remember, nature has the power to heal, refresh, and inspire us one step at a time.